Good morning. Can I help you?
Yes, please. I want long heels for a jacket.
Sure. We have many jackets. Do you prefer a color or a size?
I am prefers black jackets. You see medium.
Let me check. Yes, we have this black jacket in medium. It's very popular.
It looks nice. How much is it?
It is $7, but today we have a 15 discount.
What green? Do you have other colors?
Yes, we also have it in blue, green, and gray.
I think I like the years grays on. Can I it on?
Of course, the 15th room is over there.
Is with well. I take in. Can I play with my credit cards?
Yes, we accept cash and credit. Would you like a bag?
Yes, please.
All right. Here, here is your jacket. A nice day.
Thank you very much. Goodbye.
You're welcome. Goodbye.